Do you know who is Bringi? If you notice any sculpture with three legs, or in some cases having three hands too, with a skeleton like body and a pointed beard, that is Bringi, a dance master, greatest devotee of Lord Shiva, one of the 8 commanders or Ganas of Shiva, including Devi, Ganesha, Chandesha, Mahakala, Vrishabha, Nandi, and Murugan. And he is also one of the guard of Kailasa along with Nandi. This sage is also given great importance during Shiva Tandava, where he has the power to instruct the great god himself about when to start and stop Ananda Tandava dance. This explains the importance given to his devotees by God Shiva. His importance during Shiva Tandava dance is also explained by Adi Shankaracharya in Shivananda Lahari, stanza 51, saying that Bringi Chanatanotkata Karmadigrahi Spuran Madhava, explaining that Shiva obeys the orders of Bringi during the Tandava dance. Now, the birth of Bringi. There are two versions to his birth. One say when the Tejas from Lord Shiva fell on Giriprastha mountain, that led to the birth of Mahakala and Bringi. According to this other story, he was a demon called Andhaka who later became a devotee of Shiva by name Bringi. There is an interesting story about Bringi that most of the people don't know about. Before I tell you that, according to our Puranas and beliefs, in a body, the bones and nerves come from a father, whereas the blood and muscles come from mother. Now, I want you to just remember this. Now, the story of Bringi. Whenever Bringi visited Kailasa, he used to pray only to Lord Shiva by doing pradakshina and used to totally ignore Devi Parvati. This was hurting Parvati. As the world knows, Shiva and Parvati are known as one being. But here, Bringi was only doing pradakshina to Lord Shiva and avoiding Parvati totally. She brought this up with Shiva when they were alone. And then Shiva said his behavior should not bother you, Parvati. But one day, Parvati decided to test this sage Bringi. One day, Parvati sat on the left lap of Lord Shiva when Bringi was about to visit. When Bringi entered the Kailasa, he saw that Parvati was sitting on the lap of Lord Shiva. And now, he can't do pradakshina only to Lord Shiva. And he also cannot say Parvati to get down. Now he thought about this for some time, and then he changed his physical form to a snake and he moved between Shiva and Parvati and did pradakshina only to Shiva. Shiva smiled at his behavior, but Parvati was angry. Watching Parvati angry, Shiva came up with an idea to please her. Next time, when Bringi visited Kailasa, he saw that Shiva and Parvati are merged together as Ardhanarishwara. Parvati was sure that he can't do pradakshina only to Shiva now. Watching this, Bringi thought for some time again, and later he took a form of a small bee, some may say beetle, made a hole in between them and did pradakshina only around Shiva. Watching this, Parvati got furious. She said, I tried you to explain in a better manner, but you were not understanding me. Fine, you only need your father, right? You don't need Shakti, as in Parvati. Hence, I am going to take away that part from you. Rishi had lost all his blood and flesh, usually comes from mother as per Puranas belief, and left with a bare skeleton form. Realizing this fact, that the Shakti is also important, he asked for an apology. Watching Bringi's difficulties, and as he was unable to stand, Shiva granted him another leg to support him. In many Shiva temples, you can notice the Bringi in sculptures. In some temples near the door,